It was supposed to be a major bust. A 2020 raid that federal prosecutors called a crippling blow to one of Western New York's biggest drug trafficking rings.
As a result of the tremendous efforts of those agencies, those law enforcement agencies, 4 individuals who are part of a transcontinental drug trafficking organization that stretched from Buffalo to Los Angeles have been arrested.
Police said they seized cocaine, fentanyl, guns, and cash, all led by Erie County Sheriff's Chief of Narcotics, DJ Granville, and his Narcotics and Intelligence Unit. But what officers didn't know that night was that they were the ones being watched. Security cameras inside a home on Grimes Street captured what a federal judge later called, quote, damning evidence of unlawful conduct by law enforcement officers. A federal judge said those cameras showed Granville and his team entering parts of the home they were not legally authorized to search, and later allegedly staging evidence to justify it. This court finds Detective Granville's conduct to be an egregious violation of the Fourth Amendment. Judge Kenneth Schroeder wrote, court records show Granville claimed he found a utility bill linking the suspect, David Burgin, to the upstairs apartment. But defense attorneys argue Granville put it there himself. They point to a hidden video, not available to the public but described in these court records, that shows Granville holding a white envelope in his hand, rifling through a trash bag, and then walking away without the envelope. The utility bill later turned up on top of an open garbage can, conveniently linking Burgin to the space that police had no warrant to search. Judge Schroeder wrote, quote, it is this court's opinion that Government Exhibit 11 is a staged photograph because of the way the various papers are juxtaposed and too convenient in the context of the issue at hand. We asked NBC News legal analyst Danny Savalos whether he was surprised that the drugs and guns found in the search were thrown out of court as illegally seized evidence.
If true, if a photograph was staged and was part of the application for a search warrant, then that would be hugely problematic for law enforcement, and it'd also be incredibly rare. You don't normally have that kind of black and white evidence.
Now, Chief Granville declined to comment for this story, but Chris Horvatis, Sheriff's John Garcia spokesman, said in a written statement that the sheriff had no comment on the judge's decision to throw out most of the evidence, quote, beyond saying that we respect both it and the rule of law. We are also aware that this investigation has resulted in the conviction of David Burgin.
So they say they got a conviction. Is that accurate?
Technically, that is accurate, but what they don't say is that of the original 14 charges, all but one, cocaine possession with intent to distribute, was thrown out after this evidence. The charges were dropped after this evidence was thrown out of court.
Now, Charlie, tonight at 11, we're going to see what, the full investigation?
That's right. You'll have our full investigation. It's also on our website, WGRZ.com, right now.
That's shocking news. We'll look forward to your report tonight at 11. Charlie, thank you.